Tomato season is coming to an end, and I have these beautiful heirloom tomatoes from the garden. And with produce this nice, you don't want to complicate things too much, but still refined a little bit. It's going to make cucumber and tomato salad, but not exactly what you might be thinking. So we're going to take the cucumber skin and we're going to make a sauce out of it. And the rest of the cucumber you can save for another recipe. Boiling salted water, add your cucumber skin, cover, cook for about 3 minutes. Blend the cucumber skin while hot. Add a teaspoon of the cooking liquid and about a tablespoon of oil. Pass through cheesecloth in your fridge, which should take about an hour. And this is what you're going to get. It's not a lot, but it's very potent. Beautiful shade of green, herbaceous and spicy, fresh, simple and delicious. So nothing fancy here. We're going to dice our tomatoes. We want nice large pieces. And for our garnish, we have some thinly sliced radish. We don't want to add anything that's going to overpower these beautiful tomatoes. We just want to complement them a little bit. The worst thing you could do in this case is to completely change the flavor of the tomatoes. You just want to enhance the flavor, complement the flavor. So now I'm going to add a tiny bit of frisée, which is a little bit bitter and helps balance the sweetness. And then some thinly sliced shallots. So we are going to dress the salad with just olive oil, white wine vinegar, salt. That's it. And we want to mix this gently. You want to make sure the whole salad is dressed, but you don't want to squish the super ripe tomatoes. So use a spoon, gently mix the salad. And that's it, we're ready to start plating. So we're going to start with our cucumber sauce here. Amazing color. So because this is so potent, we're going to split this with a little bit of olive oil. So now using a spoon, gently spoon on the tomato salad. And you don't want to just dump the tomato salad on the plate. You want to spoon on a little bit at a time. And you want to try and spread out the different ingredients from the bowl as much as possible. A radish here, tomato there. And towards the end, we're going to have a couple of radishes and some frisée sticking out on top. And we're just going to finish with a little bit more of that cucumber sauce. This is incredibly simple to make. The only way you can ruin this is by adding too much to it. Well, I hope you enjoyed that video. Thank you for watching. If you'd like to see further recipes and techniques, please like and subscribe. If you have any questions or comments, put them below. And if you enjoy our content, consider supporting us on Patreon. Happy cooking!